Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove background in CapCut on PC or laptop. So let's get started. Here I have opened my CapCut application on my laptop, and then we're going to remove the background of this video. So the first thing we have to do is we can click on the video like this. Then we just need to click on CapCut right here. To remove the background of this video, and you can select either chroma key or auto cutout, and I recommend you to use this chroma key if your video is a green screen video, because it will be easier if you use this chroma key feature. But if your video is not green screen video like this, I suggest you to choose auto cutout. Okay, and let's just click on auto cutout right here, and the background will be removed. Okay, and now the background has been removed from our video. And just remember guys, if you want to remove the background has to be clear, so the result will be better. Okay, and that's how we can remove background in CapCut PC or CapCut for a laptop. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.